What's up, everybody? So today we are back in the garage with Brody. It's actually the video after the video. We just made the video of the review of the whole showing his new Focus ST. I wanted to call it an RS. It's an ST.
I wish.
Yeah, it'd just be all-wheel drive. It's basically the same thing, but yes, this thing is front-wheel drive turbo, all sorts of good fun. It is the Tangerine Scream, and I don't know. I just love this car. I'm still hyped up just from driving it just a few minutes ago, so if you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you go check it out. We drove it around. We got some cool shots of it, and it was pretty fun. So today, Brody has his first little mods, I guess you want to call it. It's just kind of changing up the exterior appearance of it just slightly, just because there's some things that we aren't like a huge fan of, like obviously like the blue emblems and stuff, and even like the red ST. We wanted to match the yellow, the black, the white, all this sort of theme that's going on with the car. So you want to show them what you got?
Here we go. And this is, like Bo said, just a couple of personal touches. So we've got some overlays here. This is a carbon fiber background gloss with a gloss white Ford script. And then for the ST emblems, we've got a front and rear white gloss ST logos that I think will really pop a lot more and look a lot better than the stock red. So
yeah, that's gonna look super good. Especially this, like if you guys look real close, you guys can see all the carbon fiber. So that actually matches a lot of stuff on the interior because, well, maybe, I guess not a whole lot, but just like the shift knob. His shift knob is the factory carbon fiber ST. So it's kind of playing along that. I kind of think eventually you might have to do the steering wheel one just to match.
Yeah, well, and that's the thing. There's so much black and gray and yellow and white that I feel like it all kind of ties in together pretty well. So that's definitely the color scheme we'll stick with. And I was looking at maybe doing something on the wheel or, you know, changing out different badges here and there. Even like inside the door cards, you guys can see there's the...
Well, and even look at like the wheels here. Like you got the blue Ford emblem and stuff.
Here's
you could match that.
The ST staging, we could maybe see if we could change something about that, you know?
That's a white. I don't know, I like the red too. The red looks really good.
Yeah.
But I also like the theme we're going with the white and yellow. It looks, I think it'll tie in really nicely. So we got those emblems, decals to overlay on the front emblem, rear emblem, and then you have the ST emblems as well. And then I think we're also gonna go ahead and do these pieces here. These are clear, so I think we're gonna do a smoke tint on it. So we've got that, and then what else? Did you have something on the back?
Back here, I wanted to also smoke or tint out these red deflectors.
Oh yeah, so that'll be black as well. Now, we've played around with the smoked out tint before. If you guys go back a little ways in the channel, we ended up doing Brody's wagon, his GF8 Impreza that he has, and we tinted the taillights on those to get rid of the, I guess, the orange color?
Yeah, the orange underneath. It's a red with like an orange strip, and it made it look a lot better. And it actually is a pretty dark tint, so hopefully it really blacks these out and makes them match pretty well to this black on the body.
The one nice thing though is they still were able to see through it. So we'll go ahead, get this stuff installed, change up the look of the car, and then we'll be back for more mods after that.
Yeah.
And as far as this stuff goes, I guess you want to tell them where you got this?
Yeah, these are super simple. Like, you can find these a million different places, but I found that the ones I liked the most were on Etsy. So we can put a link in the description for where you guys can check these out at. They're both just, you know, made by people on Etsy, and they've even got stuff on Amazon and Car ID. But like I said, these are just ones that I thought were the most well made and look the best. So it's cool too because you can customize your background, your script. Like I could have done matte carbon fiber if I wanted. I could have done gloss black if I wanted. I could have done carbon fiber script. So lots of different personalization options if you're looking for a specific color scheme for your car. So pretty cool.
So yeah, we'll be sure to link those in the description, but for now, let's go ahead and get these on the car. All right, so we're gonna start off here with the front Ford emblem, and Brody's already got the carbon fiber one that's gonna go on top of it. So what we're gonna do first is take a microfiber, wipe this down with some rubbing alcohol, and then this should be able to stick. Same thing with the ST here, and then we'll work our way to the back. Ooh.
Dang.
Gotta get the ASMR, dude.
Oh,
that was satisfying. That looks so good. The carbon fiber.
That's crisp.
That's so much cleaner than the blue. I like that a lot.
That's way crisp.
All right, next up, ST emblem. So you guys have it. We got the white emblem on the front for the ST and the carbon fiber Ford emblem right there. So next up, let's go ahead and move to the back. And just like that, the back is done. So now we got the emblems done. They're looking really good. I really like the carbon fiber and the white. Like we said, it matches pretty much the rest of the theme of the car. And honestly, like I know this is just supposed to like look like carbon fiber, but it actually has like a little bit of a texture to it to where it kind of feels like carbon fiber.
Yeah, it feels really, really good and really well made. So again, the Etsy, I'll make sure you guys know where to find it if you're interested, but this is a really super good emblem overlay, I think.
Yep. And we'll see how it holds up over time. We'll obviously be having this car on the channel more often. So if anything does go wrong, we'll be sure to let you guys know. But next up, we need to go ahead and do the tint on the mirrors and the rear side markers. And with that stuff, we've got some of this black tint that we had left over. So we've got this whole roll here, and then we have this little bag here. It comes with the glove, the squeegee, and the, I think this is an Ulfa knife or something. I don't even know how to say it. It's just like a little X-Acto knife. So we'll go ahead and install this next. So now moving on to the mirrors, we have our vinyl here. It is see-through black, so it'll smoke out the mirror emblem, or the mirror blinkers? Turn signals?
Turn signals, turn signals.
Turn signals, okay. So you'll still be visible through it, but it'll be black on the outside and look nice and dark. You will no longer have that translucent look. So basically what we did, we're gonna go ahead, wipe this down with alcohol, get it nice and clean, take the vinyl, lay it on top, and we're gonna have to like smooth it out. And if it gets any wrinkles, we've got a heat gun here to try to get it to de-wrinkle. We'll have to pull and stretch it in some places like you guys can see here where this edge is. We'll just take our time there, but otherwise it should be relatively easy, and then we'll just cut it out with the X-Acto knife. So there is the first one done. That looks a lot cleaner than the clear. And like Brady just said, stand back. Hopefully the camera can pick it up. You can see the black versus the clear. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Which one do you guys like better? Personally right now, I'm liking the black one, but the white one looks clean too. So I don't know, you guys can let us know. We gotta do the other side now and then do the two rear reflectors. There you guys have it. That one's done and that one. So the mirrors are complete. We'll move on to the back now and do these rear reflectors. These should be a little bit easier because there's no curvature to them. They're just relatively flat. There is a little bit of text in there, but I think we can work around it and be able to get them pushed down with some heat. So we'll get those in and then we should be done. All right, so we just managed to get the rear end done. We got the tent on the back, which you guys can see here. Let me turn my light on so it's a little brighter. But there's that one. So it's no longer red. Come over to this side. Nice and clean. You can kind of see, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but the red is reflecting through with this light. And I think we'll go ahead and have Brody maybe turn the car on, see if we can get these to light up. But before we do that, do you want to go and kind of tell them who it was now we got this all done? Like this tent here, this was Vivid.
Yeah.
So we got this off Amazon. And then as far as the people who made these, like you said, these are Etsy people, so...
Yeah, so the Ford emblem with the custom overlay that you can pick for background and text, that was done by KJM Enterprises. So that looks like the distributor and the maker of those emblems. And then for the ST emblem inlays, you can get those in any color. I believe they also have like pretty custom colors, like a shiny like lime green and a lot of like kind of fancier ones that look more like pearlescent. That was from Frosty Custom Co. So those are the two sellers. We'll put the link in the description so you know for sure like what product you're looking at, but just for your guys heads up when you're looking on the Etsy website, you can see that those are the ones you're looking for.
So yeah, sweet. We'll go ahead now. Let's see if the side markers on the mirrors light up and how it looks. I think it's just connected to your turn signals, correct?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So you guys can see the light coming through there. That's still pretty bright. Same thing with that side over there. Oh yeah. That looks real good. So yeah, it gives it that dark tint, but it still allows the light to come through, so it's not making it lose any kind of visibility from oncoming traffic, so they can see your turn signals and everything. And obviously the front end still does everything as well, and the taillights. So overall, I think this tint and these emblems and all this, basically stickers for the most part, turned out pretty good. It makes the car look a lot cleaner. I mean, like we said, we're going with that kind of black, white theme, and obviously yellow. So it's coming together. So
yeah, well, and honestly, like just for small little touches like this, like everything together, the emblems, both the ST and the Ford and the tint, all together it probably cost me like $30. So really not expensive at all to add some personal customization to your car. And so that's pretty cool too. These are some super cheap mods, which I'm looking for.
And I'm sure we're gonna have plenty more coming, so stay tuned for that. And hopefully you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to big thumbs up. Let us know in the comments below what you guys think of the tint and the emblems, whether you guys like them or not, and if you guys think we should do any other colors. I mean, you guys can let us know, give us your input. But otherwise, we will see you guys in the next one.